I am in Kalannie. I've been here a couple of days now. It was a little bit busy when I arrived, and there's been a few minor setbacks along the way. Firstly, the weather changed and I had to kind of hunker down here. The caravan park here has no camp kitchen, no fridge freezer, no washing up facilities. Just has a accessible bathroom which is passable. It has hot water, so I could have a hot shower, which is great, but my routine of making ice and stuff was interrupted somewhat. I managed to overcome that by going to the local community resource centre, and they've allowed me to put my freezer packs, ice cube makers, in their freezer. Then I was going to upload some video and edit some video at the community resource centre, but all day today the power has been out in this town because they're doing some works on the power. So yeah, I had to get organised around those particular problems, which I've done. I had to hunker down inside my little tent here for about 20 hours through the rain. Had to cover up the Handcycle. Also had to make some minor repairs. A brake cable where it mounts onto the handlebar, the actual cable cover has a plastic sleeve right at that mount, and that plastic sleeve had broken, so I had to do a bit of a MacGyver fix on that until I can get a proper part at a bicycle shop, which will be a week or two away, so that might be an ongoing repair situation. And yes, keeping my food cold, so I have no freezer, so I've basically had to eat all my meat or leave it in the freezer at the community resource centre, which I don't have access to because there's no power today, which means they're not open today, and I plan to leave tomorrow morning, on Friday morning. So tomorrow morning I'm going to be running late because I'll have to pack up everything here first and then go and recover all of my stuff from the freezer and then pack that down. So I imagine I won't get away until about 10 o'clock. Luckily tomorrow the forecast is for light winds, sunshine, and only 50 kilometers to ride. So all in all, I do know there's some hills coming. I would expect 50 kilometers will be about 3.5, at the most 4 hours riding. And then yeah, we'll see how we go. Tonight there's no pub in this town, but they do have a sports centre which is open Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Thursday, so I'm going to hit up the sports club this evening and do some fundraising for the Royal Flying Doctor Service. So yeah, that's been my challenging and interesting entry into Kalannie, but I'm happy. I'm well rested. I have managed to find food. I just bought some stuff from the supermarket today and cooked it up. There is a barbecue here, so I've been fed and I've weathered the storm, and now I'm just thinking about getting on tomorrow to Dalwallinu. So yeah, thank you for following along. Please like, subscribe, and leave comments, and follow the links through to either my YouTube site or the Royal Flying Doctor site, and help me continue to raise money for this very, very valuable charity, the Royal Flying Doctor Service. Thank you.